Congratulations on passing the SIE exam. Here's your roadmap to turn that pass into a licensed securities career. Passing the SIE is a major accomplishment, but it's crucial to understand what it means. Think of it as a learner's permit for the securities industry. It proves your foundational knowledge and is a prerequisite for advanced licenses, but it does not qualify you to conduct any securities business on its own. Your result is valid for 4 years, giving you a generous window to take the next step. Don't let that time go to waste. The real value of your SIE pass lies in what you do next. Your next decision is choosing a top-off exam, which qualifies you for a specific role. The most versatile and common choice is the Series 7, the General Securities Representative License. It allows you to sell a wide range of products, including individual stocks, bonds, options, and mutual funds. A narrower alternative is the Series 6, which is limited to packaged products like mutual funds and variable annuities. For most career paths, the Series 7 offers a higher ceiling and greater flexibility with employers. Here's a strategic advantage many candidates miss. You can take key state law exams without a sponsoring firm. The Series 63, Series 65, and Series 66 are administered by SIE and do not require sponsorship. You can enroll yourself and pass one of these while you're job hunting. This makes your resume stand out significantly. It shows serious commitment to hiring managers and shortens your training timeline once you are hired, making you a more attractive and cost-effective candidate. For the most powerful and flexible career options in 2026, target the combination of SIE, Series 7, and Series 66. This trio is the gold standard for financial advisors. The SIE is your entry ticket. The Series 7 gives you broad product authority at the federal level. The Series 66 then satisfies both state securities agent registration and investment advisor representative requirements in a single exam. This combination opens the most doors at wirehouses, banks, and advisory firms. To take the Series 7 or Series 6, you must have sponsorship from a FINRA member firm. This process involves the firm filing a Form U-4 on your behalf, which details your background and work history. You will also complete a fingerprinting and background check. Having your SIE already passed makes you a much more appealing candidate. It demonstrates your commitment and ability to pass these exams, which saves the firm time and money on your training, giving you a clear edge in the hiring process. Once you're fully licensed, you unlock multiple career paths with significant earning potential. Roles like financial advisor, stockbroker, or even investment banking analyst become accessible. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, personal financial advisors earned a median annual wage of over $100,000 in May 2024, with top earners exceeding $239,000. The field is also projected to grow 10% over the next decade, much faster than the average for all occupations. Your SIE pass is the first step on a rewarding career path, but momentum is key. The material is still fresh in your mind, so now is the perfect time to start preparing for your top-off exam. Keep your knowledge sharp and get a head start on the next chapter of your career. Visit openexamprep.com to access free practice questions for the Series 7 and other top-off exams today.